Birthday girl. We're cutting up the cake. Ceremonial cutting up the cake. That's amazing that you have two identical cakes.
Yeah. I think guys, my favorite cake.
Yes, carrot cake is delicious. Lami. Mozzarella.
Yep. With spring garlic.
Shell. Nice cake. Good job.
Pardon my...
Box, Jack. The mystery box. Interesting. Whoa. You got a puppy in a box. Look at this little guy. Are you trapped in a box? Jack, how come you got the puppy in a box?
I can do it.
Ah. Run free, puppy! Run free! Escape while you can.
I got you.
Ah.
I love seeking balance.
That's a cute puppy. I take him.
I can do a backflip here.
You can do a backflip? I don't think so. Oh. Puppy, what do you think of that backflip? Puppy's not impressed. He doesn't think your backflip's cool.
Yeah, because he's tiny.
Well, he's gonna jump. Oh! Oh. You killed him. Run away, puppy! Run away! Flee! Hey, puppy. He looks like he's having a really good time. Look at that. That's a look of contentment right there. Yeah. So you guys gonna bring him for a ride?
Yeah.
You got to push. Push fast. Push fast.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. There they go. They're gonna crash. This isn't gonna end well. Jack, what is the dog? Is it still alive?
Yeah.
You haven't killed it yet? That's good. All right. And over here, now you saw the nice white dog earlier. This is another white dog, but this thing's vicious. And I actually thought it was the nice white dog, so I went to pet it, and it bit me. Yeah, it's the Philippines though. They're very serious about their Philippines rabies vaccination, so I should be fine. That was sarcasm, by the way. Got some nice landscaping here. Kids blasting around on bicycles. Gee, I wonder what's in the box. Oh, the poor half-dead puppy who's being slowly but methodically tortured to death by the kids. Oh, careful with that puppy. Oh, this kid's gonna run into me. It's chaos, chaos. I have no health insurance. Hours later, and the puppy is still. Look at him. He's so cute. He loves you, Jack, huh? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, push him.
Push, push.
Push. Push. There we go. Bye, puppy. Bye, dong. Bye, die. They can do this for hours. They got their chase vehicle now. Keep them safe.